So, I did want to ask you, because we mentioned that home warranty, you mentioned it covers appliances, major systems, repair needs with that. It saves you from the worry of costs, and unforeseen events that may occur, like
Right.
if the refrigerator stops working and you don't know why.
Correct.
But what are other ways that, or other benefits of membership with American Home Shield?
Well, actually, one of the biggest advantages for a homeowner to have American Home Shield is our new HVAC program. We started this about a year ago and a year and a half ago. And what this program allows any member of American Home Shield, regardless of how long they've been a member, it gives them an opportunity when they decide that they want a new unit, a new HVAC system. It gives them an opportunity to save 30 to 50%
Oh,
off of retail pricing. So it's huge. It really helps to put the homeowner in charge, in control. It gives them, everyone loves to be able, one of the horrible things about breakdowns in a home is you feel a lack of control, right? It's like, oh
yeah.
my gosh, I didn't get to plan for this. So the warranty covers you for those unexpected times. You pay a service fee and we'll repair. But because you have American Home Shield, when it's within your budget, maybe you got a raise or you just don't want to deal with 120-degree weather in Louisiana, right?
Yeah.
Then you can get a new system. So it's a simple process. The only requirement is that you have American Home Shield.
Oh, that is fantastic. And if anybody knows how much an HVAC system costs, you know that that is a considerable amount of
Yeah.
savings. And knowing that you can do it at any point in the future, because however old your system is, everybody's going to have a different experience. It may be 5 years, it may be 10 years, but at least you know that
So,
you have that
with
additional
with your
coverage.
with your clients, how many times have you had an inspection report come back and say that the AC was working perfectly, but it's at the end of its useful life? It's really
Exactly.
old. It's 20 years old. So for those buyers, if they know they have American Home Shield, they can get that budget protection. But when they do need to upgrade, because eventually they will have to,
Yeah.
we'll have their back basically. Yeah.
What's great about that is, so last week we had one of my favorite home inspectors on, and just to explain for you guys, when they do the inspection, they give you that report, and it will say, like Miss Matthew just said, like, okay, at the end of its life, or it'll say the age of the system, and that they'll give you an estimate that the system may last 5 to 7 more years or something like that. So you kind of can plan ahead. So you're not buying a property and saying, I don't know how old the system is. I don't know how long it's going to last. You're kind of able to kind of map it out with
Right.
information and say, okay, I know I bought this property. It's probably going to need an update on this system in this time frame. And then the warranty comes in if something happens in the in-between time, which is great.